Hello, my name is Fiona, and I'm a certified teacher and a Praxis coach with Study.com. Are you planning to take the Early Childhood Education exam? This is Praxis test code 5023. This problem set covers the subtopic of play and learning environment for young children. Let's review the types of questions you can expect to encounter on the exam. Let's jump in. Question number 1. Which of the following activities would best promote positive peer interaction among preschoolers? Individual art projects, group projects, independent reading, or competitive games? Both individual art projects and independent reading are solitary activities, providing limited opportunities for peer interaction. Competitive games can sometimes encourage rivalry rather than cooperation, which may not always foster positive peer interactions. The best activity for promoting positive peer interaction among preschoolers is group projects. Group projects require children to work together, share ideas, and collaborate toward a common goal, which helps them develop social skills, learn cooperation, and build positive relationships with their peers. Question number 2. A 5-year-old boy draws with his markers on the walls at home. His parents scream at him, make him sit in timeout, and make him clean the walls. Which of the following best describes the parenting style of the 5-year-old? Neglecting, indulgent, authoritative, or authoritarian? Neglecting refers to a lack of attention and involvement in the child's life, which is not evident here. Indulgent describes a permissive approach where parents rarely enforce rules or consequences, and this is not evident here either. Authoritative involves setting clear rules with fair consequences while being supportive and nurturing. But the reaction in this scenario described is harsher and more punitive than what is typical of an authoritative style. The correct answer is therefore authoritarian. This parenting style is characterized by strict rules, high expectations, and harsh punishment. The parent's reaction, screaming, enforcing time out, and making the child clean the walls reflects an authoritarian approach where discipline is rigid and focused on obedience without much warmth or explanation. Question number 3. Why is it important to regularly change the materials and activities available in the learning centers of an early childhood classroom? To address different learning styles and interests. To make the classroom more challenging, to keep the children entertained, or to keep the classroom looking fresh and new. Keeping the classroom looking fresh and new and keeping the children entertained are not the primary educational goals, though they may be positive side effects of changing materials. Making the classroom more challenging is beneficial, but is not the main reason for regularly updating learning centers. The correct answer is to address different learning styles and interests. Regularly changing the materials and activities in learning centers is crucial for catering to the diverse needs and interests of young children. It ensures that all children are engaged and challenged in ways that suit their individual learning styles, helping them to explore new concepts and develop a wide range of skills. Question number 4. Which of the following strategies is most effective in supporting a child with vision impairment in the classroom? Providing verbal descriptions of all visual materials. Using soft, muted colors on learning materials. Allowing the child to sit at the back of the class. Or using bright, contrasting colors on learning materials. Having the child sit at the back of the class is counterproductive, as it places the child further from visual materials, making it even more difficult for them to see. Using soft, muted colors on learning materials is also unhelpful because it can make visual distinctions more difficult for a child with vision impairment. While using bright, contrasting colors on learning material can be beneficial in some cases, it is not always sufficient on its own. The correct answer here is A, providing verbal descriptions of all visual materials. This strategy is most effective because it ensures that the child with vision impairment can access and understand the content being presented, regardless of their ability to see the visuals. By providing verbal descriptions, the teacher ensures that the child receives the same information as their peers. I trust I was able to clarify the types of questions you can expect to find about the subtopic of play and learning environment for young children for the Praxis 5023 exam. Please remember to like and subscribe to this channel so that with Study.com's help, you will feel confident and prepared on exam day. Good luck and bye for now.